Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to do self money transfer in GPay. So open your Google Pay account first. Okay. So I open my GPay, and to do self transfer, that is transferring within your bank accounts. Yes, you can do it. What you have to do, click on self transfer here, and then you go to select bank account. Okay, so here select bank account to transfer from. So from which bank you would like to, from which account you would like to transfer money to other account. Okay, so I am selecting Indian Overseas Bank. Suppose if you are selecting other one, choose other one. Okay, now I have chosen other one, ICICI Bank. Okay, so now you have to select the bank account to which money should be transferred. Okay, so I have selected this. Okay, so from ICICI to IOB, or IOB to ICICI, or if you have added more bank accounts, so you can select one for from and one for two. Okay, then finally you go to click on next, so that you can enter amount, and that amount can be transferred from one account to another account for yourself. Okay, so just I have given 1 rupee, and I just transferring this. Give your UPI pin for the particular account. It's set that wrong pin, so I am behind trying. Yes, transferred. So in this way you can easily do self transferring from your own accounts. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.